Hi guys, we're on the way to Calgary because today is our big event in Calgary and show it to a lot of people how we actually do the trading. So our platform is an educational platform where you can learn how to become a trader. So if you are interested to become a trader, so just join with us. So you still have a chance to register. If you want to register now, just PM me. Kasi we will gonna start in 2 hours. So guys, this is your big chance, no, para makita nyo kung paano to nagwo-work. So don't you worry, it is all free, wala pong bayad. So a lot of people asking me about it, kung may bayad daw ba kung gusto nilang mag-join sa community namin. So the big answer po is it is all free, wala talaga siyang bayad, walang monthly subscription, walang enrollment fee. Everything na makikita nyo po dito is all free. So it's better to join para mas maging clear po sa inyo. So just message me in my messenger para maipakita ko sa inyo kung paano to nagwo-work. Okay?